Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope so all are fine and enjoying the good time. In this video, I am going to tell you that I have lost my desktop that are necessary on the desktop in my PC, like my PC recycle bin control panel. So I am worried about them. You can suffer from such a troubles. So in this video I am going to tell you that if you lost your desktop icons that are necessary, then how you can find these icons within 1 minute. So before starting the video, if you are new on my channel, subscribe my channel, follow and hit the bell icon. Let's get started. So guys, if you have lost your desktop icon, don't worry. Simply you have to click on the desktop and find out here is a personalize the last option. Click here. When you click here, here is the panel of control panel like this. So here is the themes like color, sound, etc. You have to find your desktop icons. Here is the option on the top right left corner. Here is the option on here is the option on the left top right corner is a change the desktop icon. Click on this. Guys, when you click on this, here is the all icons options you want to on your desktop. So check all these icon options you want to on your desktop like PC or laptop. When you check all the icons you want on desktop, then click on apply and then OK. Now let's see. Oh wow, that's like I have recovered my all the desktop icons. Guys, this is amazing. If you like my video, subscribe my channel, share it and hit the bell icon. So guys, see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz, goodbye, see you again.